Medical miracles in pill form are now extending the lives of people with cancer who would otherwise die quickly without them. But the astronomical price of some of those drugs puts them out of reach for many who need them. Now some of the most prominent doctors in the world are calling on the pharmaceutical companies to lower their prices. St. Pete oncologist Dr. Michael Diaz credits pharmaceutical companies for amazing drugs that save his patients' lives. But this month, 120 of his top colleagues around the world lashed out at that industry in a trade journal article for prices that are astronomical, even immoral.
They're all agreeing that something needs to be done to address the cost of these medications. It's going to gain a lot of attention.
The price of Gleevec, the most effective treatment of myeloid leukemia, can be $100,000 a year. Even with insurance, the patient's responsibility can be crushing.
As things stand now, the copay for some medications can be $2,000 to $4,000 a month, which is not realistic.
Diaz points out that companies like Novartis, that makes Gleevec, provides free or reduced price drugs for thousands of patients. The industry, in their own defense, points to the years of expensive research it takes to develop new drugs. But American patients often pay twice as much as the rest of the world for the same drugs. They don't take their medicine as faithfully as they should and die more often as a result.
It has to do with the fact in these other countries there are not the economic barriers with expensive copays associated with these medications, whereas they are here in this country.
The legislature is set to vote on a law that would require insurance companies to pick up more of the cost of cancer drugs in pill form. We'll let you know how that vote turns out next week.